When they weighed me, it was already 5 pounds down,
Already
which was crazy.
5 pounds
Which was
down.
crazy, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Jamie Graff, and you're here with the Bib Lifestyle. I want to ask you, are you one of the millions of people out there who are skeptical about eating fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens? Well, if you are, you definitely want to follow this channel, hit that like button, and share this with all your friends and families who are skeptical just like you. Because this is the power of food and what it does for the human body and the reaction that we're going to get when we actually eat these incredible foods. Now, there's plenty of information out there, people telling you this is good for you, this is bad for you, whatnot. Now, we know that these leafy greens and these fruits have been modified over the years throughout generations with science and everything, but it still grows from a tree or from a plant or from the earth, and that's what it's all about, pulling nutrients from the soil so that they can be put into our bodies to have that chemical reaction with our cells, giving us the healthiest and best version of ourselves. So stay tuned for what we've got for you. Let's bring out our contestant for this season, Amari, and hear what he's got to say. Amari, how you doing, sir?
Be good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. So this is week number 1 for all of you guys out there watching. Amari has just eaten the fruit bowls and the salads for only 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Here we are, Wednesday morning. He hasn't eaten his fruit bowl yet, which we've got right here. Amari, let's hear what you have to say. I mean, first off, let me just ask you, papaya. You didn't like the papaya. You had to eat it the last 2 days.
Yep.
How did that go with your fruit bowl?
It is a act of will.
Yes.
I still don't like papaya, but I've noticed that if I combine it with the pineapple or with the mango as I'm eating it, I can do it. I mean,
You can tolerate
I can do it. I mean, it is what it is, you know?
Yeah.
Everything in life isn't about liking everything.
Liking everything. And as I said before, as you continue on, you're going to acquire the taste, and you may crave it eventually someday in your future.
Let's see what happens.
Were you able to eat the entire fruit bowl?
Oh, yeah.
You take it down, whole setting. The salads, the same thing there?
Salad's a little tougher. I mean, it's a lot of food.
A lot
The
of
rice
food.
and the beans, it's a lot of food, but I do it.
You do it.
I mean, to be honest with you, I found myself to be a lot hungrier than I thought I would be. So, like the last 2 days, I ate it and I was ready to eat. So, it was like I ate and I was like, okay, yeah, it's time to eat. Let's
Yeah.
eat. I made my own dressing too.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Excellent.
so I didn't want to put a bunch of fake stuff on it, so I made my own dressing.
And you were just able to eat these 2 meals and be okay?
Oh yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Great to hear. Because as we progress, these are going to get a little smaller, but we're going to add more substitutes, as we spoke about earlier in the week or in the first introduction. One of the videos we talked about how
Intro.
we're going to have,
Yep.
yes, the root powders, the seed packs, the beet juices, which you guys can get on my website, www.biblife.com. I've got these incredible seed packs right here, 1/3 cup of a variety of 14 different types of seeds that have incredible health benefits. There's a book on there you can purchase as well that explains all the health benefits and all the nutrients and what you're going to get from those seeds. And then also we have the root powders right here. These are the incredible root powders. It's the true natural medicine of the earth. Thousands of years ago, goes back 3, 4, 5,000 years from the Romans, the Egyptians, the Native Americans, the Chinese medicine. And it's all the natural medicine of the earth before the pharmaceutical companies. I better watch what I say there. But anyways, we got these incredible root powders. They're on the website as well. And then we also have the incredible book, My Health, My Story, How I Found the Bib Lifestyle. And it's a simple guide to teach you how to live this Bib Lifestyle step by step with pictures, with instructions. So all of you out there can follow this and be as healthy as I am and as Amari is soon to be. Amari, what have you felt just in these last 2 days of eating the food, and what can you share with everybody out there? Friends, family, new followers, new people that want to be a part of the Bib Lifestyle.
Yeah, so 2 days so far. I have gone to the bathroom a tremendous amount.
Yes.
So that's been good.
That's a big part of it, pushing everything out.
Yeah, and I don't know if it's, I had a bit of an injury on my wrist, and so I had to go to the urgent care yesterday, and I when they weighed me, it was already 5 pounds down,
Already
which was crazy.
5 pounds
Which was
down.
crazy, yeah. Because
Just-
I weighed myself the first day,
Yes.
and then the next day when I went to the urgent care for my wrist, I was 5 pounds lighter.
5 pounds lighter. That means he just eliminated 5 pounds of waste from his body. And you know, the reason that is because you are a bigger man.
Mm-hmm.
Now you may not look as big as you are, but you're carrying an extra body on you.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
85 plus pounds of extra weight. So when somebody has that amount of extra weight on their body, yes, if you eat the right things, it's going to come off fast. So that's why I'm so excited to see the huge transformation that this young man is going to get after 8 weeks.
Appreciate the young.
Absolutely.
But yeah, it's been good. I did the bib stick the last 2 days. Did one with you outside, and then I did it at home in my bedroom, and that was honestly easier the second time. I think it's because I wasn't outside. I think it's because I was inside. I wasn't in the sun. You know, I was super hot outside. So
Okay.
I think the second time was a little easier. I did it in my bedroom. My back definitely, I can feel it. I definitely could feel it. You know, like
As in, is it hurting or?
no. As in, it's like it's just I did something. You when you know you've done something.
Yeah,
You're like your
yeah.
body is like stiff and like, oh my goodness. Okay, I need to. So it definitely made a impact.
Are you feeling looser? Or were you able to sleep any better?
I haven't noticed that yet, to be honest with you. I mean, maybe in the next couple,
Yeah.
weeks it'll kick in. But
Absolutely.
I definitely I noticed my body was like, oh, you did something different today, huh?
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
So I mentioned to you earlier too. My wrist. When I was doing the bib stick, I had my wrist over the thing, and I noticed the growth in my wrist. So full disclosure, I got to go get a surgery on my wrist now, and
Yeah.
I
Well, hopefully we could postpone that till after the 8 weeks. So you
yeah,
can
I go to see the
continue
doctor
on.
today, so I don't
Yeah.
even know what the time frame on it is yet at all. But
Okay.
but I mean, I just figured it out yesterday.
Yeah. And the only reason that he figured that out is because we were out back doing the bib stick.
Yeah.
And he noticed a pain in his wrist that he never felt before because his arm wasn't in that position for maybe that long period of amount of time.
Yep.
Whatever it was, the body aligned itself. It caused him some pain. He noticed a bump. All thanks to following the bib lifestyle.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing?
Always knowing is a good thing.
Always knowing is a good thing. Great to hear that. Well, I'm glad that you found out that happened. Hopefully, everything's going to be okay.
Yeah, I mean, they said it's nothing life threatening. It's just it's uncomfortable.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
sure.
And yes, our bodies fluctuate 3 to 5 pounds regularly with what we eat. But the fact that he's already 5 pounds lighter because he's eliminating so much extra waste with this food. That's what it's designed to do for the first 2 weeks. Well, it's designed like that forever, but what we're doing now for these first 2 weeks is we're really pushing stuff out of his intestines. And then after 2 weeks, we're going to clean him up a little bit. Then we're going to start adding those other ingredients so that his liver can get cleansed. And then we can begin adding even more ingredients, more nutrients, that is, so that his body can absorb the nutritional value and we can really get those good effects.
Awesome.
That's what it's all about here with the Bib Lifestyle. Thank you guys for tuning in. Always remember, check out that website, hit that like button, share it with all of your friends and family. Amari, we got you right here. Take a look at that camera. Let's tell everybody out there, be your best
Be your best body.